Dear students, in our last session, we have seen how to obtain and produce the projections of a point on our drawing sheet. Before going for projections of a line and then planes, solids, etc., we must practice and be expert in the above things. So let us go for it. We have developed our format to obtain and produce the projections of point, and here it is. Specifications of any point in the space we will produce in this format. Name of point in the bracket, distance from HP followed by distance from VP in magnitude and directions. From these details we can get position of elevation and position of plan as shown here. That means from the distance from HP, without modifying any of the detail, we get position of elevation, while using the distance from VP, we can get position of plan just by rotating the arrow through 90 degrees in clockwise sense. Let us have some more illustrations. Look here. Point A is 40 mm below HP and 30 mm behind VP. Writing these specifications in our format. Point A 40 down, 30 mm behind. Against these details directly give position of elevation, hence A dash is 40 mm below XY line. These details we have to just rotate the arrow in clockwise sense through 90 degrees to get the details of plan, and here they are. The plan is 30 mm above XY line. Here they are shown. Plan is 30 mm above, elevation is 40 mm below. Next illustration. Point B is 60 mm behind VP and 10 mm above HP. Remember, first we have to take the details of the distance from HP and hence 10 mm above here, and then 60 mm behind against elevation without any change 10 mm above, and plan rotating the arrow in clockwise sense through 90 degree, that is 60 mm above. Here they are shown, elevation of B and plan of B. Try it yourself. Point C is 15 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So write it in this format. C, fill in the blanks. Completed? Now use the distance of HP as it is here. Distance from VP, rotate the arrow in clockwise sense through 90 degree to get the details of plan. Completed it? Okay, now check it. Look, point C 15 mm above, 40 mm in front of, and hence C dash 15 mm above XY line, C 40 mm below XY line. The arrow is rotated in clockwise sense through 90. Now here C dash 15 mm above, C plan 40 mm below. Okay, next. Point D is 25 mm in front of VP and 50 mm above HP. Try it. Fill in the blanks. Done? Check it. Look, first distance from HP 50 mm above, and then from VP 25 mm in front of. D dash 50 mm above, D plan 25 mm below. producing here D dash 50 mm above, D plan 25 mm below. Okay, now be careful. Look here, point E is in first quadrant and 25 mm from both reference planes, that means HP and VP. Can you try it? Remember, first quadrant means in front of VP and above HP, and hence point E is 25 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Check it. Here 25 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP against E dash and plan 25 mm below, producing it E dash 25 mm above, E 25 mm below. Right? Next, point F is in fourth quadrant and 25 mm from HP as well as VP. Remember, fourth quadrant is in front of VP and below HP. That means point F is 25 mm below HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Check here. Against elevation 25 mm below and plan also 25 mm below. That means both the projections, they will be at same location, they will coincide each other, both are here F and F dash. Next, point G 60 mm below HP and on VP from point G. Here is point G which is 60 mm below HP and on VP. Can you tell me, point is on VP, that means how much is its distance from VP? Obviously 0, and hence look here, 60 mm below HP and 0. Hence elevation is also 60 mm below XY line, while plan is 0 mm from XY line, that is nothing but on XY line. And here G dash 60 mm below, G on XY line. Similarly, point H 40 mm behind VP and on HP, and hence its distance from HP is now 0. From VP 40 mm behind, H dash is 0 means elevation is going to be on XY line and plan 40 mm above XY line. Look here, elevation on XY line, plan 40 mm above XY line. Okay, and here is a summary for you. Remember, names of projections: elevation or front view, second plan or top view. Line perpendicular to XY line is known as projector, while line parallel to XY line is known as locus or path. Both projections, that is elevation and plan, always lie on same projector. Point on HP has its elevation on XY, while point on VP has its plan on XY. Clear? Now in the next session we can go for projections of lines. So see you then. Thank you very much.